There have been many updates to the teacher and student experience in Get More Math. The Read Aloud feature is available for the entire class or for individual students as needed. To allow access to all students in the class, navigate to the settings in the gray column and activate the Read Aloud slider in the Student Help section. When the setting is enabled, a student has a speaker icon next to text that can be read aloud. Clicking the speaker reads the text aloud. Students can click the icon again to stop the audio. To allow individual access, choose Roster from the gray column and expand the student's name. The Read Aloud slider can be individualized as needed for any student. Students can track their own progress in Get More Math when viewing their screen. Spiral Review now shows progress over time with sections labeled by month. Understanding the colors and symbols helps students and teachers view progress and growth. Teachers and students can easily identify skills that are untried or have insufficient data. All new skills start as white squares with a $sign, which means students will earn a point upon answering correctly on the first attempt. The $sign will change to an exclamation point if the student answers the problem incorrectly. Students are required to fix the error on any skill with an exclamation point. The square will turn red if the student is struggling to demonstrate initial understanding. Just as before, when the square levels up to yellow, the student is showing initial understanding of the skill. When students view an assignment, the targeted skills are shown in the top left, with spiral review skills shown below the targeted skills. Each section includes the number of points required to complete the portion of the assignment. The number of points required to complete the assignment, as well as a student's progress, is shown in the top middle portion of the dashboard. This student has earned 3 of the required 6 points from the targeted skills. They have also completed one of the required 8 points from the spiral review. Teachers can change any of these requirements when building an assignment from the Work tab. When creating an assignment, Get More Math recommends that teachers include spiral review points. For long-term retention, the default number of spiral review points is 8, but teachers can increase or decrease the number of spiral review points included in the assignment as needed. Teachers can also change the number of points for each skill in an assignment. The default and best practice are 3 points per skill, so that students can demonstrate initial understanding of new targeted skills. Using the arrows or by entering a number, teachers can change the default points for each skill as needed. If a teacher is reassigning an assignment that was created prior to the current school year, the spiral review points will show 0. It is recommended the teacher add at least 8 points to the spiral review for all existing work before it is assigned. Exam corrections are automatically generated for each student who misses an exam problem, but only if the teacher saves the grade for a student or uses the Grade Turned in Exams button. Exam corrections are found as an assignment in the drop-down menu and are enabled by default. Students must fix their mistakes from the exam and solve a fresh problem similar to the problems missed to complete the corrections assignment. Teachers can now view progress on corrections by choosing exams in the gray column and clicking on Corrections for an exam. Teachers have the option to require students to solve more fresh problems by using the arrows or entering a number.